Hello, this is Tomomi from Fly. Thank you for watching today's streaming too. So today is the very last day to learn about hiragana words. You will finish 50 letters by today. Congratulations. Okay, let's go to today's topic. So today we will learn 6 more. Yeah? Sorry, I just wanted to color this. Oops. Yeah, you, yo, and okay, great. So we will talk about these letters which is colored in with red. Yeah, you, yo, and very last ones we pronounce it as wa, o, wa, o. Okay, so let's start with Y words. Actually, with the strategy which we have used before, if we use this Y and A, yeah, Y and I, E, Y and U, Y and E, ye, Y and O, yo. But actually, E and ye sounds like E and E, and then we will use this just these vowels. So we will skip E and E part of Y line letters. So it's gonna be ya, you, yo. Ya, you, yo. Okay? This is the reason I skipped these Y letters, even though L letters are after the Y letters. Okay? Ya, you, yo. Ya, you, yo. Great. Okay, and then let's go to wa, o, n. Wa, o, n. Maybe I should say these are like W letters and N is just the exception. But these letters are a little different, so I just put it a little aside. So wa is wa. Okay, and o. So this sounds very similar, and sometimes people pronounce it exactly the same with o and o. O and o. So maybe you don't have to pay a lot of attention about this pronunciation. Just you can pronounce it as o, like this. But when the letter looks like this, not this. This works as adverb. So when we say, for example, 帽子を取る。帽子を取る。帽子 is hat, and 取る is take. So if you want to take the hat to in English, with only the location, the place of letters, you can understand what to what. So what is a noun and what is the verb, and what is the relationship with these two words. But in Japanese, you need to put the adverb in between. So 帽子を取る. And then this means you take the hat. Okay, so we will look for the way we use this wo later, but just remember that if these letters shows up in the sentence, and then it's different from the verb. So okay, so this is just an exception. And another exception is so you put your tongue upper your mouth, and then you pronounce it as from the nose. Okay, and then the reason why I say it's an exception is because the structure of this pronunciation, the sound is very different from others. As I told you in the very first video, mostly and every time in the top to bottom and consonant on the top, so you can just always get a combination of consonant vowel and you can pronounce it. But when we talk about it's just n, doesn't have any vowel. So this is very special, and no word starts from Okay, so it will be just in between some letters or the end of the word always. But if you study a lot deeper of Japanese literature and Japanese culture, actually in the very ancient Japanese language, we have some words which start with but today we don't have any words, so don't worry. Okay, great. Do you have any questions so far? Maybe not? Okay, and then as we do usually, let's make some words out of the letters which we just learned. Okay. Let's see. Ya and ma. Ya, ma. Ya, ma. Yama. 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 It means mountain. Yama. Yama. Okay? Great. And then let's go to the next one. You? Oh, do you sound the thunder? Today in Japan, I mean in Tokyo where I live now, the weather is really bad and it's raining very hard, and also right now I hear the thunder. Okay, you hot water. You But usually, when we say it in like daily life, we say oyu. That means exact same, hot water. But when you put o, and it's gonna be sounds a little more polite, and also sounds a little cuter. So when we use it in a daily conversation, usually we put o before you, and then express about hot water. Oyu, oyu, oyu. Okay. Okay. And others. Yo. Yoru. 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 Yoru means night. Oops. Yoru. 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 Okay, and then let's remember some related words with yoru, like asa. Asa means morning. And daytime or noon. Hiru. Hiru. Okay. Actually, in Japan, evening and night are the same. It's yoru. So basically, we only have 3 time zones: asa, hiru, yoru. Asa, hiru, yoru. Okay. There are some like more detailed words in Japanese, like the very early in the morning, or a little late in the morning, or like some brunch times, or like very late at night. So it's gonna be a little difficult, so we will just skip it for the part. And please remember just 3 words to explain about the day, the time zone of the one day: asa, hiru, and yoru. And also for the easy words, gohan. Oh, we use it here. Gohan. It's cooked rice, and also has meaning of meal. So when you want to say dinner, you can say yoru gohan. For breakfast, asa gohan. For lunch, hiru gohan. It's pretty easy, isn't it? You put gohan after the word to express the day and the time of the day, and then you can tell about dinner, morning, and lunch. So maybe I should start from morning. Asa, and breakfast. Asa gohan. Noon or daytime. Hiru. And the lunch. Hiru gohan. And for dinner, yoru gohan. Okay. Great. And let's use wa, o, n. So actually this o is not used for making words, so we will just skip this. So let's start with wa. Wa wani crocodile. Maybe I should pick some like more useful words. Okay, niwa, niwa, niwa. Garden, niwa, niwa. Okay. And also, maybe I just put the example gohan, 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 or so it's be careful, it's so you don't close your mouth like it's kind of like m, but gohan. Okay. Or maybe san, 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 it's 3. I'm sorry, I just put it like this, san, san. Okay. And when we pronounce it like san, san, it's 3. But when we put a little bit more accent to sa, sang, sang, and then it means Mr. or Miss or Mrs. So when you call someone who you just met, or for your boss, or for like your friends, you put sang after their name, and basically we use family name, and then after that you put sang. So for example, my name is Haniu Tomomi, and Haniu is a family name and Tomomi is my first name, so people call me Haniu-san. Or a little bit more closer friends or closer people, they call me Tomomi-san. So actually you can use family name, both family name and first name, but if you call someone who you just met, it's better to use family name and plus san. San. Maybe I should write down. San. Okay. Great, great. And I see many words on the chat, and they are very useful. So please learn from the chat too. Okay. Great. And yeah, and maybe we should learn hon. 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 Book. 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 Okay. Hon. Hon. Or sometimes you use this to use this to count something a little long and thin, like san is 3, right? So when we talk about stick of a wood or something, like a little like long and narrow thing, and then we count it as 3本 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 okay. So this is a little advanced idea, so just keep it in somewhere in the edge of your brain. We will discuss it later. Okay, great, thank you. And then let's review about these, all the letters we have. So when I was kid, when I was in elementary school, when I first learned about this chart, I was told like I, U, E, O. This is a very basic, and then for the consonant, from the right to left, akasatana hamayara wa, akasatana hamayara wa, akasatana hamayara wa. Okay, just these first letters of the A and then the vowel. So if you remember just these letters, and then you have the clue, you have the hint to memorize all the other letters, right? So if you want to remember this chart a little more easier, and then a u e o ka akasatana hamayara wa sounds like a spell, but try remember this first. It will help you. So we have seen a i u e o kaki kuke ko sashi suse so tachi tsute to nani nune no hahi fuhe ho mami mume mo ya yu yo rari rure ro wa o n. We have completed. Okay, we will use some a little marks on this, and also we will use a little smaller letters, but we will discuss in next class on Friday. So this is a very, very basic Japanese letters and Japanese sounds. I hope you have got this by today. Great. Okay. Oh, okay. So I get a little question about hon. So, for example, we use hon for a bottle and for a pencil, chopsticks, hon, sticks or some bars, chocolate bars, also hon, 1本2本 and yeah, these kind of objects are mainly we use in the daily life, and other things. Yeah, I think so. Oh, and like pants. 1本2本 we count it as like jeans or like pants, and especially for long pants, not short pants, long pants, we count it with hon. And for others, 1本2本 and trees 1本2本3本4本 yes, trees we count as hon. Yeah, Okay. And a little related home, 日本 is Japan. So there are some like ways to say in Japan. It could be Nihon, it could be Nippon, but neither way is fine. Nippon or Nihon. But the basic is Nihon, and with a little accent, it changes to Nippon. So it's basically totally the same. Nihon, Nihon, Nihon is Japan. And little sounds different, but Nihon is 2. Nihon is 2. Nihon is Japan. Nihon is Japan. Okay, great. Yeah, we count yakitori too. Yakitori is Japanese traditional food for something goes with beers or something goes with like drinks, and then it's grilled chickens which sticks which stuck in the sticks. So we count this stick as hon. So we count yakitori as hon too. Okay, great, thank you. And maybe we are a little out of time to talk about the adjective or adverb, so maybe I will talk about it this time and next time. Okay. So today I want to talk about ni. Okay, ni. So this is adverb and adverb. So this shows shows the relationship with the object or noun and verb. So we in Japanese has a lot of these kind of like adverbs. So depends on the way we use this, the meaning could change to totally different. So in the sentence, if you use different adverb, even though the words you use are totally the same, the meaning could be totally different. So please be careful. Okay, and ni is very very basic. Actually, the very like 4 basic adverb we have are te, ni, o, wa. Te, 立ちつて、te, ni, o, it's just we talked about, and wa. Do you remember that when the ha is in between word and word, it's sound pronounced as wa and has totally different meaning. So te, ni, o, wa. Te, ni, o, wa. These are very basic and very important adverb in Japanese. Okay, so we will see the first one, ni, today, and then we will discuss it about ni on Friday too. Okay, so ni has many meanings or many functions. It works very nicely. Okay, so today I want to talk about the first function, direction. に ni. Okay, so since it's direction, the verb you will often use with this is go 行く go ある no sorry 行く yeah, this is very pretty much used with ni. Okay, so let's practice like a goal or destination, and then you go there or something go there. This whole activity is included to ni. Okay, ni, this the points and also the direction. When you don't have direction, when you don't have destination, you can most likely we don't use ni. Okay, let's use this. どこどこに行く。どこどこに行く。I'm sorry, どこ means where, so blah blah に行く blah 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 に行く it's like this. So let's say 駅に行く。駅に行く。Go to the station. 駅に行く。駅に行く。Okay? So, に行く is go to. So maybe I should do two. 駅に行く。駅に行く。Go to the station. How about school? 学校に行く。学校に行く。Go to school. Okay? Great. So, anything else? 日本 Oops, sorry, I was using kanji. 日本に行く Just we saw that 日本 is Japan. So go to Japan. 日本に行く And where else you go? 空港 Go to the airport. 空港 空港 means airport. 空港 means airport. Just a little story about 空港. Can I tell? Okay. So when we use kanji, 空港 looks like this. And then the first letter represents air, and the second letter represents the port. So airport. 空港 airport 空港 So 空港に行く go to the airport. Okay? So basically, if you put some location and then after that ni iku, and then you can say go to somewhere. Okay, great. And then if you want to say I go to somewhere in a little polite expression, you can just change iku to ikimasu. And then you can change it to polite ways, and you can use it for daily conversation too. And another maybe question, どこに行きますか? どこ is where. Maybe I am blocking this. So, okay. どこに行きますか? どこに行きますか? Where are you going? どこに行きますか? どこ means where. どこ means where. We already discussed this before, right? に is what I'm talking about right now. どこに行きます. 行きます is 行く. And か is something for a question. どこに行きますか? どこに行きますか? Where are you going? Where are you going? And then these are the answers. 駅に行きます。学校に行きます。日本に行きます。空港に行きます。So now you can ask where to go, where are you going, and also you can answer for the questions. Very good job. Okay. Great. And I get some questions now. Okay, and for the letters with P, B, G, J, D sounds, we will talk about it later because it's just basically it's the same letters we have learned before, but has some a little dots or circle on the basic letters. And then the basic letters which you can use with the circle or dots are very limited, so we will discuss it later in the next class. Okay, just for your information, with the two dots, the sounds can be a little how to say, a little cloudy, muddy. So we use this for ka, K sound, ka, and has a little like can be ga, ka, ga, ka, ga, ki, gi, ku, gu, ke, ge, ko, go. So with the two dots like this, gakko, ga, the sound can be a little muddy or like little stronger. Okay, and we only use this for we use this a lot. K sounds, S sounds, T sounds, and H sounds. Okay, and for circles, pa, or like parties, pa, or pants, or those kind of things, only we use it for H. So H sounds could be B sounds and also P sounds. Ha, pa, ba. Okay, so we will discuss it later. For other questions, okay, and the difference between watashi and watakushi. Okay, so watashi is I, and generally you can use this. It could be polite too, so you can use this for your job interviews, and you also use this for the conversation with your boss or someone who is, older than you too. And watakushi is a little more politer, and we don't usually often use this, but watakushi is sometimes the people who were born in like a family which has very tradition, or like some like very rich family, or those kind of stuff. They use this watakushi. Okay, or so maybe if you heard watakushi in anime or some like Japanese movies, the character who use watakushi could be a little I don't know how to say, snobby. No, I will say like like too very proud of one's myself person, or swagger, or like rain, or like those kind of people. That's possible. We don't always use this. Okay, and for the classroom, yes, thank you very much for telling us. So classroom, we call it 教室 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 教室. Maybe I'm blocking now, right? So let me move myself. Okay. Maybe I should use another page. Okay. よいしょ。教室に行く。Go to classroom. And a little story about 教室. So, step by step to be familiar with kanji. When you write 教室 in kanji, looks like this. And then the first letter means teach, and the later one is room. So the room where people get taught, or teacher teach, it's 教室 Okay, great. Okay, Okay, so maybe it's all for today. So just get the review. So we talked about ya, you, yo, and wa, o, okay, and with these letters we saw some words: yama, mountain, yama; oyu, hot water, oyu; niwa, garden, niwa; san, 3, san, Mr. or Miss; hon, book, nihon, Japan; and morning, daytime, night, asa, morning, asa; hiru, noon, daytime, hiru; yoru, night. Okay, and gohan is meal or cooked rice, and when you put it together with asa, hiru, yoru, and it's gonna be breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay, and we talked about the first function of ni. It has a lot more, so today is direction, and it's used with go, iku, means go to, very often. So we saw this. Okay, so 駅に行く go to the station. 駅に行く。学校に行く go to school. 日本に行く go to Japan. 空港に行く go to the airport. And for the question, we use this question very often. どこに行きますか？どこに行きますか？ means where are you going? どこに行きますか？ And then the question could be 駅に行きます。学校に行きます。日本に行きます。空港に行きます。And also we saw 教室 It's classroom. 教室に行きます。Okay. Great. Thank you very much. Good job, everybody. Okay. So by today, we have learned about these hiragana letters one by one. And you have completed the basic letters. So in the next class, let's learn a little advanced usage of these hiragana. Okay, and also we will learn more about the function of ni, because it's very important. Okay, thank you very much for watching today. Please leave your comments if you have some questions, and also please subscribe our YouTube channel so that you won't miss my class. Okay, thank you very much for today. Have a good day. Bye.